Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to uh, WTT or Weekend Teach Talk. And today we have a good speaker for today. That is Andy Tuff. He come from 11th grade, especially from RPL major, from 11 RPL. And before we start our agenda, let's open our agenda by reciting Basmalah together. Bismillah. Okay, Andy Tuff, time is yours to show your material.
Okay, thank you for the host to give me the time. So, hello everyone. My name is Andy Tuff. I'm from 11 RPL, and today I want to talk to you about a simple material in Laravel that everyone has to know, every software engineer has to know, which is component and uh, layout in the Laravel. So in here, I will presentate my screen. Okay, so in here there is the our Laravel projects that I've just made. So in here, how to make the layout is that you just uh, go to the resource and then go to views. In here, there will be welcome blade, and how to make it. You have to make a folder name layout, and then inside it, you have to make again a file name. Usually the name is app.blade.php, and in here you have to make the template for your website, like the head and or the body, like in here, like here. So what is the use of layout? So the use of layout is that uh, in here we can uh, make a clean code. So not every like this welcome.php has like the maybe this one, the head of the HTML. So we got to make the template for it, so we doesn't repeat the code over and over in the file. So in here we make the layout, like you can just um, insert the telling the framework or your Google Fonts in here, and it will apply to um, all your file, view file in here. So let's just make like example in here. We're gonna make a file in the views name index.blade.php. So like in here, uh, we could just make a simple kind of uh, code like this one, uh, like white screen and half screen in here, and then the background, like it will be like black. Oh no, let's just make the body to be black. Usually what I use is that this color. Okay, and after that we're going to make like a simple text, like example in here, hello world, and we're going to customize the font like the font size, maybe 96 pixel, and then the color to be like white, like this. So let's just look. We're going to see the result. What is it? Okay, in here we go to terminal, then we going to like this, and we're going to open it, and it's still the default of the Laravel. Why? Because we haven't changed the roots for the Laravel. So in here, we're going to change this to layout.app. So when you refresh in here, it will be like this. Okay, so we haven't insert the Tailwind as CDN, so I will search it first. So you go to Tailwind, then just copy the CDN for it. Go to the docs, then copy the CDN, like in here. Mm, okay. After that, in the layout app.blade.php, we're going to insert the Tailwind, the framework. So it will be like this. So we're going to make it to middle. Example in here, flex. Okay, in the container, flex, justify center. Uh, like this. Okay, so this is the default of what we're using. So how to use the layout, we can go to index in here. So we're not going to make another like this, no, but we're going to insert the what is it uh accents, then after that the name, the root from the view. So going to layout.app, so the name of the folder, and then the name of the app, the file I mean. So after that, in the app, we're going to delete this, and then we're going to add one, which is yield. Wait, yield content. Uh, okay, and then in the index, we're going to make a section so we can insert the our previous code to the content. On here, I have to paste the code, and then we have to end the section. And when you look at the here, it will remove because the roots, we have to change the roots again now to index. Okay, when we change it, it will be like this. So that is the use of the layout. So the difference is we only use this code and the section one to make this, and we can repeat it again over and over without like repeating this code, which is not effective in the software engineering world. Uh, and then the second one, what I'm going to tell is that uh, how to make a component. So what is the component? Component is like when you look maybe on maybe some website, there will be like navbar, or there will be like sidebar. And in there, we're going usually for effective code, we make a component. So how to make it? So you go to your terminal in your Laravel projects. Then you go make a code named PHP artisan make uh, component, and then you name the component like example navbar. And after that you enter, and it will automatically make a folder in the views and then the navbar. Okay, so in here we can just make like simple nav example in here nav, and then wave full, make a class wave full, and then in here we make uh, we make pool. No, yes, we make pool. It's just a simple we did navbar solely, and we make like example name, or usually about, and then maybe projects or email, documentation docs, then contact, and then after that make this one like gap or flex gap 2, then text white, like the usual this one, and then we make the text more big, maybe 20 px is enough. And then after that, how do we use it to here? We can just go to our index, and then below the extents layout app, we make a we insert, or no, beside inside the section content we insert uh, x dot navbar. This is according to your file name. Like in here I have nav strip bar, so I use x strip nav strip bar. So after this it will show the, what is it, uh, the nav bar that we already made. So we're going to make it more good, this maybe. Okay, four, and then like this. So it's already good like this. So this how you make components. So what is the use of the components? It's same like layout. So component is usually of some component that you usually use on your uh, on your website, like navbar, or like maybe buttons or the others that you usually use. So the the benefit is to make it more less long. It will be more effective and readable. So like if what is this, you can just go here and it contains a code of navbar. Okay, I think that's it for the materials today. I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys now you guys know how uh, to make a component and make a layout in your Laravel, and it is effective in Laravel. So usually in other companies they usually use this, and to make the code more readable to others, uh, employer or the others like software engineer that works on that company. So I think that's it. Thank you. I will give it back to the host. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you so much for Anita for your great material today, and thank you so much for you all for attend the VTT and see the VTT. I hope you can get a new knowledge from this agenda for today, and thank you so much for watching VTT. Uh, I do apologize if I have some mistake. And as I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.